The spotlight on the continuing saga on the flood control fiasco has shifted on reserved and unassuming Senator Christopher Lawrence Tesoro Bongo, who was named correspondent in a plunder complaint filed earlier today with the ombudsman by arch-political nemesis Sonny Trillanes IV. The complaint alleges Go's father and brother-owned companies received 7 billion pesos in flood control projects from 2007 up to 2016, when the former president began his term. Our Isaiah Mirafuentes has the skinny on the plunder case that has the former president named as enabler and co-accused.
Former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV arrived at the office of the Ombudsman this morning carrying a thick stack of documents. The file contains his formal complaint against former President Rodrigo Duterte and Senator Bongo. His camp also brought several boxes of supporting evidence that allegedly point to the corruption and anomalies involving Duterte and Go. Trillanes accused Duterte and Go of abuse of power. Based on his investigation, the Go family allegedly secured infrastructure projects worth 7 billion pesos awarded to them during Duterte's term as Davao City Mayor up until his presidency.
Alam naman natin na magkadugtong ang bituka ni Bongo at Duterte, kaya hindi niya pwedeng ipagkaila na hindi na impluwensyahan ito.
Trillanes also claims that 2 companies obtained about 200 government contracts. He said these contracts were divided between CLTG Builders, owned by Bongo's father, and Alfrego Builders, owned by his brother. Most of these projects are located in Davao City and Davao Region.
Ang ebidensya po dito ay mga kontrata mismo galing sa DPWH. Ito po ay nakuha ko nung ako po ay senador pa. Tapos dinagdagan namin dong iba pang mga dokumento nung natapos na ako.
Trillanes also accused Bongo of having connections with the Diskaya family. He said that in 2017, CLTG Builders, owned by Go's father, entered into a joint venture with St. Gerard Construction, owned by the Diskayas. They allegedly bagged 5 projects worth over 800 million pesos.
Kaya yung sinasabi ni Bongo na hindi niya kilala yung mga Diskaya, may joint venture yung tatay at kapatid niya. Tapos, paano nagkakilala itong mga ito?
Senator Go quickly responded to the allegations. According to the senator, he already expected the complaint but insisted it has no basis. He also said he is willing to cooperate with an investigation and hopes that the ombudsman will be fair.
Recycled na po yung mga issue. Pilit binubuhay para lang mapinturahan po ako ng maitim para siya po ang magmukhang maputi. My conscience is clear. Unlike him, panlabas o panloob, pati konsensya niya madumi.
Go believes this is nothing but a diversionary tactic. He also did not hold back from criticizing Trillanes.
At ang dapat talagang panagutin, ang totoong issue. Ano bang totoong issue ngayon? Diba ang flood control scandal? To Trillanes, you are barking at the wrong tree. Kung seryoso ka talaga, bakit di mo kasuhan yung mga totoong mga corrupt talaga? Bakit di mo kasuhan yung mga financials mo? Yung mga contractor.
After submitting his complaint to the ombudsman, Trillanes said he will also forward the documents to the ICI. According to the ICI, they are open to any information that Trillanes can provide. This case is similar to the one Trillanes filed before the DOJ last year, which was dismissed by the previous ombudsman. Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.